Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. We begin with some good news on the sugar industry. Operations at the Money Musk sugar plant in Clarendon could resume in the coming months. Details in this report.
They are willing to come to Jamaica to invest and to be able to set up a brand new factory at Money Musk.
Music to the ears of former sugarcane farmers and workers in southern Clarendon. Many have been without reliable earnings since the Money Musk sugar factory closed its gates 6 years ago. The interest in the Money Musk plant is from two investors, one from India and one from Guyana. Proposed investment could be as much as $40 million and would involve cultivation on about 15 acres of lands formerly used by operators of Money Musk. Dr. Horace Charu has been speaking with the parties.
And they're going to build a brand new, state-of-the-art, high technology factory at Money Musk to do a number of things. 50,000 tons of brown sugar is a basic. They're looking for at least 10,000 tons of granulated sugar. They're looking for liquid sugar. They're looking for other sugar, those cubes that they use as a big market across North America, Canada, and the United States. And with an increase in Indian population in those two countries, the demand for sugar for those sorts of things are limitless. But the main thing that they want is to be able to make sugar for the CARICOM countries.
Recently, the local market experienced a shortage in rum, so these stakeholders are eager to take advantage of the interest.
They want to be able to make molasses for the local rum industry. And for those who might know, Jamaican rum has taken off since COVID that we didn't even dream like.
The proposed investment would also create opportunities for other linkage industries in Jamaica.
Besides setting up the operation in Jamaica, Mr. Prashad is intending to use that warehouse in Orlando, not just to sell the products of Money Musk factory, but also to be able to be a warehouse for Jamaican fresh produce to southeast Florida.
Stakeholders met in Lionel town recently to discuss the investment interest, which many say is the game changer the area needs.
They are looking to set up an operation at Money Musk again to revitalize southern Clarendon. And we are serious about that.
Should the interested investors fail to find a deal with the owners of Money Musk by the end of this year, they have identified 30 acres of land also in Lionel town that they will buy to start their own sugar operation. These sugarcane stakeholders are therefore urging the political leaders to get on board and give sugarcane another chance in southern Clarendon. Prince Moore, TVJ News.
To some company news now, Mayberry Jamaican Equities is reporting significant financial improvements in the first 3 quarters of 2024. That's despite challenging market conditions characterized by falling interest rates and volatile stock prices. For the first quarter of 2024, Mayberry posted net profit of $211.8 million, with the total income amounting to $113 million when compared to the losses of 2023. The company says year-to-date income stands at $448 million. It's also reporting a trading loss of $256 million year-to-date compared to the $2.1 billion loss recorded in the same period last year. And despite a 4.7% reduction in total assets, Mayberry's shareholders' equity saw a 1.1% improvement, now standing at $192 million. Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $159.07. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.40. $205.47 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $172.26. And to the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 4,184 points today, while the junior market advanced by 19 points. Among the 42 winners, proven US dollar shares, Knutsford Express, Palace Amusements, Jetcon Corporation, and Everything Fresh. The 4-to-1 losers included Massey Holdings, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Jamaica Public Service 7%, Epley Carbon Property Fund, Cygnus Real Estate Financial. And Cygnus Real Estate Financial, that's the last one. And the 17 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the business day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.